Hey guys, I'm Amy with Crafty Vixen Studios again, and I'm about to start working on a new project. Figured y'all might want a little bit of an insight into what I'm going to be doing. So this is the original Viking axe that I did for the Renaissance Festival. You can see it's on both sides, and I have some runes and some wood burning in it as well. And the blade is etched on both sides. So obviously I didn't record doing this one because it was before I had decided to start doing any videos, but I wanted to do a second smaller version, so going to be doing a hatchet. So stick around and see what happens. So originally I was planning on taking the head off like I had done for the last axe, and then working on the head and then the handle separately. However, the way this one is designed, and I bought it on Amazon, so it was not expensive, it was pretty cheap. The way this one is designed, I don't think I'm going to be able to get it off. It's got the little ring there that you can see, that if I get it out, I don't know how I'll be able to get it back in securely. So I guess on this hatchet, I am going to be working it up in a single piece, so that should be a new and exciting experience. So I have the stencil applied, and so I'm actually going to talk y'all through this part of the process because it's a lot of information and I really don't want to type it all out. So what I'm doing for etching the blade is called electro-etching. Basically, I'm using a car battery charger. You can see I have both ends of the charger here, and you attach the positive side to the metal, and then you make a hypersaturated saltwater solution, which is what's over here in this container. And then on the negative terminal, you put a cotton ball or some sort of fabric pad, and you'll dip it into the water, and then you're going to move it around the piece of metal that you're etching, and it'll actually eat away at the metal to leave the sections that are covered raised, which is pretty cool. So the one thing you need to remember, don't rub it because that can pull up your stencil or whatever it is that you've used. I used nail polish on the first one that I did, and it started to flake a little bit, which is the reason I'm trying the vinyl this time. So here we go. right, that was about 3 minutes on each spot for this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull off the vinyl, and we'll see a general idea of what it's gonna look like. And then I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'll clean it up and you can see how it's gonna look. right, here you go. Here is the after effects of the etching. It still needs to be cleaned up a little bit, still needs to be polished, and I am still going to darken the background just a pinch, most likely. But that's how that works. Next step is going to be working on the handle.